Conte reporting. Marcus Conte reporting at the unbelievable Women's Day Parade, New York City. Woo! Women! Wow, so many women. So little time. Oh yeah. I'm feeling it. My drum set out. Some funny signs. See if I can get a few of them. Woo! All right, man. Hey, what are you guys marching for today?
Ourselves, everybody.
Sounds good, man. What's your sign say? Cool. Not very personable. Marching for Brazil. Not gonna last too long here. It's a loud drum. Cold out here. It's a cool sign. It says fight like a girl. I see you, son. Fight like a girl. It's a nice sign, thank you. What are you out here for?
For women's rights, for a change in government, for making a statement.
Thank you very much. Wow, there's a whole army of drums. Run over. I like that one. Lock him up. A lot of politics, huh? You don't want to see him locked up. Impeach them. That's a good sign over there. It says, impeach the motherfucker, pussy grabber.
Lock him up! Lock him up! Lock him up! Lock him up!
Lock him up. Some really good signs. I hope you guys are catching them. I like the Supreme Court sign, all women. Those drums can't get far enough away too soon. Switch arms. Lock him up. Pussy power. Intimidating. I'm sorry. Plenty of politics. We're not short on politics. You know why they're booing? In front of Trump. Right in front of Trump's hotel. Donald Trump has got to go. Donald Trump has got to go.
Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, hey. Ho, ho. Donald Trump has got to go.
I still can't figure out what Trump has to do with any of this. It's fun to be here. I like the ratio of women. Selling pussy hats in front of Trump's place. Double helix is stronger than the wall. I love it.
What?
It's a good sign. The double helix is bigger than the wall, right?
Yeah, it's stronger than the wall.
Yeah, man. You're not for the wall? You're not on a wall?
No, poor children will try and reunite all the time with their relatives, their parents, and there's nothing that's going to stop them. So.
You're going to keep the drugs out with a wall?
No, no way, no way.
How do they get the drugs?
We have to think of little children and protect their rights. They aren't just half people, and they're running their feet off and their hearts out.
Thank you. So lock him up. You gonna lock him up?
Lock him up. Lock him up. Lock him up.
I'm way outnumbered here. I'm on my best behavior. We gotta catch a ball kick from behind. Woo!
You could pour
Lots of women.
Not here, you can't.
Thank you.
I'm gonna pretend I'm gay. Oh, how so? Love your fucking hat. Woo! Safer. Oh, it's fantastic. I love it. Ooh. Ah, American flag. We're still in America.
What democracy looks like. Show me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. Show me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. This is what a feminist looks like.
That's what democracy looks like. Freedom of speech. Still a great country, you know? Even if you're dead wrong. Alright. Protests, you could help the opposition. Divide the men and the women. Separate them. That's what I see. I see separation. Coming down 6th Avenue, by the way. Avenue of the Americas. I think it ends in Times Square. Not sure. I'm not going to make it all the way down there. It's peaceful. No kicking and scratching. I haven't been called a dick or it's non-stop. Lock 'em up. Half of these women are undesirable anyway. Right? Fascism cannot be voted out. The people must drive it out. They really believe Trump's a fascist. Crazy. New York Times said so. Peaceful, quiet. It's called the Willful Idiots. Like sheep's to slaughter. Pigs.
wall, no wall, no wall, no wall, no wall, no wall.
You don't want a wall?
Wall, no wall, no wall, no wall, no wall, no wall.
No, it sounds like you're saying go wall. Stop, Mom.
Hey, I see your sign. It's a cool sign. Ooh, I can't get it to. Whoa, there he is. Mr. President.
Handsome fella.
Yeah, man. What's it say? Proof that white people need help voting. Okay, I'm a white people.
So am I. As a group, we didn't do very well.
I know. I voted for Bernie Sanders. How about you?
I voted for Hillary Clinton.
She couldn't win, though. She cheated.
I really don't think she did.
You don't think she did? You don't think she lied 6 times to Congress and committed felonies?
No, she didn't. That's nonsense. But whatever.
Have a good day, man. Gotta believe, gotta believe.
Who's your candidate
Hi.
this year?
My candidate? I don't know. It's this year. It's not election season.
2020.
I don't know yet. It's too early. It's too early to say. I don't think anybody could beat Trump at this point. I would probably
Kamala Harris, maybe?
never. No way. She won't win. First of all, she's a corporatist. You like her?
I do.
What do you like about her?
Well, I like that she's a strong black woman, number one. Number two, she gets things done. She asks the right questions. She's a feminist.
What has she gotten done?
What has she gotten done? That's a good question. She's pretty good.
You brought it up.
But just pretty good as far as on committees. She asks the right questions, I said.
Yeah, I mean, it's too early to tell. I think that's throwing up. I think my opinion. You want my opinion?
Yeah.
I think Biden and Kamala Harris and Beto. They're what's known as the
So
shit
what, you're
the shit
Bernie
sandwich.
Sanders, then?
Yeah, it's 2016. Bernie now is a different Bernie. Bernie. Who the hell knows? But we shall see. Can they beat Trump? That's the point, right?
Anyone who could beat Trump, I guess, at this point. But hopefully we don't have to worry. Hopefully he's out.
Good talking to you. Thank you. Kamala Harris. That's a shit sandwich. That's a good one. Year of the Pig, Kavanaugh. Hey, can I see you post? Oh, that's pretty good. My pussy power. Woo! What's up? That's a great sign. You painted that?
Yeah, I painted this last night.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good stuff, man.
Thank
You got anything to cut out? Phallic. Year of the Pig, Kavanaugh. That's a good one. Jesus was a liberal. Excuse me. Was he?
I think so.
Yeah, probably, right?
Have you read the New Testament?
Maybe when I was 15 or so.
He was a liberal radical at that.
Wasn't he a Hindu? I thought he was an Indian. Didn't he come from India?
He was Jewish.
Are you enjoying yourself? You having a good time?
I am, thank you.
Jesus was a Jew. You heard? That's a good one. Elect women for the next 1,000 years. It's all about women.
That's so neat. Well, that's cool. What city are you going to? Delhi. I mean, I don't know where you are, but I know someone.
The noise goes right through you. You don't realize how loud it is until you're standing next to it. Time to put women in the Constitution. Fighting for rights they already have.
These human beings represent trans women murdered by hate. These human beings represent women murdered because their domestic partner had access to a gun.
Ah, anti-gun. Gays against guns. Gays have a seat at the table at the women's parade. Where's the men? I mean the real men, not the Gillette men. Oh, this is some weird shit right there. White hoods.
These here represent women who were murdered in hate crimes because they were transgender and women who were murdered because their domestic partner had easy access to guns.
Felix, Scotty, beam me up. There's no thoughtful life on this planet.
Not a creepy tweeter. We need a leader, not a creepy tweeter. We need a leader, not a creepy tweeter. We need a leader, not a creepy tweeter.
He's with her. He's with all of them. America. Let this train wreck go by.
Maybe I'll just wait for it to come. It's right there.
Nasty woman fight.
Let's see how we feel when we're gonna be. I don't know when the march.
A lot of art. Build a wall around Trump.
Like 8 times, so.
Man, they hate this president.
No.
Well, it's okay. That's okay.
No, I mean, I'm even down to like eat and then get matinee.
Oh, here we go. This one says it all right here. They got Nancy Pelosi. That's Nancy Pelosi up there. Nancy Pelosi in the House. Women with poles. All right, so my battery's getting low. So, Marcus Conte reporting from the Women's Day Parade up here in Manhattan, New York. About I don't know how many women there are. There's a whole lot of women marching, a lot of politics. Festive event. Marcus Conte reporting.